Oh, did he break his nose? David, it looks like he broke his nose with that mask on.
Hey, set it up. Set it up. Stay low. Set it up. Be first. Find your pace. Inside. Good. Snap. Strong. Recover. Off your knees. Recover. Recover. Good. Roll your wrist. Use your hand. Fight. Good. Hey, outside. Look for it. Make him step. Make him step. Make him step. Move him. Move him. Forward pressure. Forward pressure. Move your feet. Snap. Inside. Snap. Right there. Right there. Right. Your right side. Your right side. Yes. Yes. Go to your left. Go to your left. Move to your left. Take that step. Make him step. Go to your left. Make him step. To your left.
Set it up correctly.
Heavy head.
He's talking.
Move your feet. Strong. Up, up, up. Hey, get into that hip. Get your leg out. Shake, shake. Tripod.
He's too high.
He's high.
Shake. Rock it in. Shake, shake. Hey, hey. The legs something be raised. The legs something be raised. Get along. First move, don't wait. You need to get away. First move, don't wait.
He's high. Try to get a second leg in, son. I don't try to go for 2 legs, I try to go for 1 leg.
But he's still high.
Yeah.
Up, up. Get your hand back. Get your hand back. Hang your foot.
He had it good. He just, if he needs a second leg.
Hot. Shake. Top. Tripod. Tripod. Give to that hip. Hey, keep that hand. Tripod. Short time. 10 seconds. Nothing.
Right on. Keep him fighting, Daniel. He's too high.
Work 1 leg together. Don't go. Don't go. Don't go. Don't go.
Keep him rolling.
Time. Hey, here. Shake.
Don't let him get his legs in. Just don't let him get the legs in, that's all he's working.
Hold him down. Don't let him up.
All he's working is legs. He has to get out.
Stop. Follow. 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 Up. Up.
Hey, time.
Hey, get up. Legs coming in.
Too hard. Daddy, he's going too hard the whole time. Daddy.
Does your clock show 145?
Watch the head lever. If you get to your feet, you're not going to throw a leg in. Up. Now get up all the way. Hips. Walk. Again. Put your hand back. Put your hand back. Up. Walk your fingers. Walk your fingers. Come up. Look away. Walk your fingers. Walk your fingers. Shoulder down. Now work. Come up to your face.
There you go.
Come on, that
There
hip.
you go.
2 hands under that leg. 2 hands under that leg. Don't go. Stomach. Hard over. Whoa.
Pressure on one side. Pressure on one side.
Now work. Work. Drive. All you toes got your knees. Drive. All you toes got your knees. Your ankle. Your ankle. Your ankle. Top. Top. Got it.
Bring it back down.
Yes, go. Hit. Hit. Follow up the knees.
Watch position. OJ. Come on.
Hey, work
Short time, Daniel. Short time, Daniel.
Hey, good.
It's all good. It's all good. Relax.
Hey, look at the time and the score.
Daniel.
Look at the time and the score. Hold it down.
Okay.
Hey, right here. Daniel. Let's go. Follow. Yes. On your toes. Master. 2-on-1. Follow.
Watch
throw.
Watch that.
Hey, go. Go, that's. Right. Hey.
He needs to shoot.
Green chooses top, third period.
About what?
Pressure on one shoulder.
He should be grabbing that down leg instead of letting him get it in.
Follow him! Head up! Work!
Fight the hands.
Fight the hands! Use your hands to fight that! Come on! Walk!
Pressure down.
Now come up!
Adjust that.
Go! Get sharp! Arm down! Get your knees! Head up!
That was such a lazy leg.
Head up! Stomach! Both hands on that leg! Hey, get your belly to work! Get your belly! Knees together! Left hand, let it go! Belly! Get that leg over! Now work! Hey, keep turning that! Come up to the right side! Come up to the right. Yep! Watch it!
Watch out.
Go! Down! Come up! East side!